Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and organize a game night on Discord? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and create a server. If you don't know how to go ahead and do that, I've already made a video on that, or you could also find a bunch of other videos on the internet on how you can create a server. Make sure that your Discord server has a waiting room on your VC and then also the gaming room as well. And on public text, simply go ahead and announce when you are about to do the gaming night. And when you simply go ahead and announce that, make sure you let every single friend of yours know that, and then they'll be joining your hangout on that particular date. Once they join, then you can simply go ahead and host it by clicking on start an activity and then start playing multiple kind of games right over here on Discord without even having to download anything else on the computer. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.